Guys, what is up? Do a little update video as we've driven by this strip mall a few times. The one that had the fence around it because the roof had caved in. And recently I drove by it a week or so ago and I noticed it looked like they were doing work in there. And so here we are. And the funny thing is, it looks like the construction fence has totally been taken down, so I guess it's already pretty obvious that the roof has been fixed. Looks like they haven't put the HVAC on for those suites yet, but a couple of the end suites are open. Check it out. Let's go have a look-see. Looks like that's the only section they had to rebuild because they got a lot of the white vinyl still intact otherwise. So, I think this place had caught on fire, if I recall. I don't remember, but looks like a couple of the AC units might have been saved, put over there in the corner. I know a lot of stuff was laying down inside. So, looks like they're cutting in some roof jacks. We got the drops in place. Looks like duck drops. Trying to get this on smooth action here. Yep, I can see the little tack tab at the bottom there. So, yeah, there's a drop. How about that? There we go, a little higher. No business names. Those suites kind of got taken out. I kind of thought I was going to catch it in the process of being repaired. In a way we are, but you know, it was we've already got the trusses redone, the sheeting redone. This guy looks like I could put the foam up there, vinyl covering, and then finish the suites. So, yeah. So I didn't know if they were going to try to condemn this whole building and rebuild the whole thing, or just repair it. And it looks like it was able to be repaired. And they took down all the chain link fence for the construction. The chain link fence was just there, like last time I noticed a couple weeks ago, which made me think of I needed to get over here. Huh. Very interesting. I'll make a good screenshot right here, probably. So how about that? Anyway, nothing much to see there. We've already filmed this whole area right here, so this is a little update on that building.
Oh, they really did update that.
Yeah, well, rebuilt it or repaired it. Yeah, new trusses probably just in that section and roof sheeting. Yep. So anyway, we'll probably go film a couple other places. So that'll do it for this one. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and all that stuff. Catch you guys later.